Yo, what up, y'all? It's your boy Big Stony Man, back again for another one. Today, I'm finna show y'all how to make a Flint or a Detroit beat in the style of Rio the Young OG, RMC Mike, any of those guys, VEEZE, you know. So let's jump right into it, man. We're gonna start with the trusty steed, the trusty piano. You know what I mean? We'll probably switch up the sound, but as far as we just gonna start with that. First of all, you know, you want to have, you want to make sure that your tempo, you want a fast tempo, you feel me? I'm at 83, you know what I'm saying? It could go higher, it could go a little bit lower, you feel me? But you want to make sure that you up in that fast range for it to be that true, you know what I mean? Detroit Flint beat. Okay, you feel me? A little simple start, you know what I mean? Just some like low bass notes, you feel me? That dun, and that little top line, you know what I'm saying? To give it some motion. And you know, we just gonna keep it moving from here. Yeah, I'm curious. I wanna try to see what this sounds like with like a more like vintage piano. Let's get that out of there. We are gonna add like a we're gonna add like a pad. Yeah. That's what we're gonna add. We're gonna add a pad. Some drums, you feel me? Spark some more inspiration for the melody, you know. When it comes to these type of beats, man, you gotta really go to Perk Town. Like, you gotta really, you know what I mean? You gotta use them perks like your life depend on it, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Because that's like really like the signature, like that really holds like these type of beats together is like the type of perks that they use, and just like, you know what I'm saying? That's what gives them character. So you gotta really get on there and snap with the perkies, you know what I'm saying? Start adding our bass in there. Let's make it go dump now. Okay, yeah, I think that we got it, man. Let's go ahead and lay that joint out. We used a lot of sounds on that, but that's okay, because, you know, like I said, we had to go to Perk Town on this one, you feel me? So it's a whole lot of perkage in here. Let's throw the good tag on there. Let's throw the tag on there. I think we're done, man. I think that we got that wrapped up, man. As soon as Rio come home, man, this shit gotta go straight to him, on God.
That's my man, Stoney.
Yes, sir. That's it, man. That's a wrap. That's a 10 out of 10 Flint beat right there, man, if you ask me. I hope that y'all learned a little something out this joint, man. Learn how to go and make some Flint beats yourself for VEEZE or any of those guys, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, until next time, Big Stoney out.